Picture this. Sarah, a single mom with kids, has just moved into her new home, exhausted but hopeful. Late at night, she tries to settle the kids and flip the light switch. No power. With stores closed and no food delivery, she's left with crying kids. No way to prepare food and unanswered calls to her overseas landlord. Helpless and frustrated, she wonders if moving was a mistake. This is where Properly steps in. With instant support, AI troubleshooting, and real-time updates, tenants like Sarah aren't left in the dark. In today's world, the stakes are high. Just last year, tenants in Toronto won a lawsuit over unresolved maintenance issue. Properly bridging that gap ensures that tenant concerns are handled swiftly while protecting property managers from potential risks. At Properly, we are here to make sure families like Sarah feel supported, heard, and safe. Hi, I'm Brenda, the product designer. Let me tell you more about Properly. At Properly, we offer AI chatbot for instant troubleshooting, feedback loop for clear communication, real-time notification, and customizable features tailored to property managers' needs. Now, Sarah and Alex would guide you through the product demo, showcasing how Properly seamlessly handles maintenance requests and enhances communication between property managers and tenants.
Hi, I am Sarah. I've been dealing with a stressful issue in my bathroom. Thankfully, my property manager just introduced me to Properly, which handles all maintenance issues. Let me show you how it works. Once I log into the web app, I head to the maintenance dashboard and click on New Request. From there, I type in the details of my issue and ask Bree, the AI assistant, for help. Bree suggests a quick troubleshooting solution, but if it doesn't resolve the problem, I can easily escalate it to the property manager with just a click. Properly makes the whole process so simple and stress-free.
I'm Alex, the property manager. I just received an email notification about a new maintenance request. I log into my property account and head to the maintenance dashboard to view the details. Once I'm in, I can see that our AI assistant, Bree, has already attempted to troubleshoot the issue. I review Bree's suggestions, then update the request's priority, status, and category to ensure it's accurately tracked. Next, I select the right contractor for the job, confirm all the details, and update the ticket to keep everything organized and on schedule.
I just received a notification from Properly in my email. Looks like there's an update on my maintenance request. So I log in into the Properly web app to check the details. Once I'm in, I go straight to my notification and click View to see the latest update. This is where I can choose an appointment date for the plumber to come over. I check the available slots, select a date that works for me, and just like that, the issue is scheduled to be.
Properly is well positioned to tap into Canada's $77.5 billion to $155 billion rental market. With 15.5 million rental apartments, our serviceable available market is $13.95 billion with a 2% penetration. Our serviceable obtainable market could reach $279 million. Properly is ready to transform property management across Canada.
Properly set itself apart from competitors like Buildium, Tenant Cloud, and AppFolio, with AI-powered support, a free plan to get started, and a built-in feedback loop. We focus on customization and visual documentation, giving property managers a more personalized and seamless way to communicate and manage requests. This makes Properly the ideal choice for those who want a truly tailored experience.
Property pricing model caters for both small landlords and large property managers. Our unlimited freemium plan provides essential features at no cost, while scalable, affordable plans grows with your portfolio. Annual billing includes 20% discount, offering flexible and exceptional value without hidden fees. Properly is the ideal choice for property managers of all sizes. Our go-to-market strategy focuses on target digital campaigns, fostering community engagement, and establish strategic partnership. Financially, we anticipate a consistent growth driven by subscription model and subsidiary service fee, ensuring both profitable and long-term sustainability. Properly would ensure that security will be encrypted, role-based access, and audited. For scalability, we will use cloud auto-scaling, optimize database. We will optimize workflow, monitor performance, and educate users on security. To boost adoption, emails and WhatsApp integration will streamline support and enable quick ticket tracking.
Think of Properly as a rocket. Each quarter, we're adding fuel to reach new heights. We've just ignited the engine, and next up in Q1 of 2025, we're supercharging and optimizations to ensure a smooth ride. In Q2, we're adding the boosters, expanding features to empower property managers even further. By Q3, we're at full throttle, streamlining efficiency and performance. And come Q4, we're blasting into new markets with full force, ready to scale beyond borders.
Behind Properly is an exceptional team that has shown unmatched dedication. From daily stand-up to late-night troubleshooting, every member has played a crucial role in making this MVP a reality.
Now, this is your moment to be part of a game-changing solution in property management. Get started today with our freemium plan. Scan the QR code on the screen to join us in transforming property management. Experience property management done properly. Thank you for your time. We're excited to hear your questions.
All right. Thank you, Property team. Let's give them a round of applause. Let's give all the teams a round of applause. Man, it's not easy sitting here for 2.5 hours, and to everyone in the room to focus this much. It's a lot. It's a real lot, right? So kudos to everyone. Last round of judge feedback and questions. So we're going to start alphabetical order. Andre, Jerome, and Andre, Esther, and Jerome.
Nice. Yeah, great work. This is definitely something I can personally use, and I do see some partnership with Co-Fund Estate as well.
Yes.
I guess my only question is around the ideal customer profile. Like, are you going to be going after like residential or commercial, or do I need to have a certain amount of properties to use this platform, or it's open to anyone?
It's actually open to anyone because we have the freemium plan where you can, just one moment, let me take you back there. So we have the freemium plans where you can manage up to 5 tenants. So anyone, even a real estate agent, can actually start this up. And once their portfolio grows, they can actually go and use this data plan.
All right. Thank you for your question, Andre. I think that was a valuable question. Let's go to Esther.
Great idea. I have one question though. I'm looking at the contractor side. How is the contractors going to benefit coming through your portal as opposed to going through Kijiji or Facebook Marketplace?
Okay, so most apartments, condos have internal contractors who they pay. So what we intend to do is, aside that, in future we intend to build a contractor platform whereby we can always link them. But based on what our research, most apartments have their own in-house contractor who they assign to handle such issue. And another thing we realize is some apartments have specific brands, like let's say a Bosch, and they have contractors who come in and manage that. So those are some of the things we actually plan to integrate into our AI features based on the apartment.
And is there a premium the contractors need to pay? So let's say I'm an individual contractor. I want to use your app so I can get more money and do more services. Is there a premium on the contractor side that they have to pay, or it's free?
So at the moment, it's something we are planning to incorporate in the future. So it should be in our Q3 plan, yes.
Okay, got it. Okay, thank you.
Okay, Jerome.
Awesome. Can one of you guys share the subscription page again quickly? I just want to ask a quick
Yeah,
question on
this
that one.
is the subscription page. Can you see the screen?
I can't see your screen.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Thought I was sharing it.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
I just wanted to know why your enterprise plan is cheaper. Does it give me, and it gives me more
Yes.
than the other plans?
Yes, it does give you more than the other plans. And we also manage more than 1,000 seats. So if you have more than 1,000 seats, or rather 1,000 tenants, you get 12 seats.
Sorry, so why is the enterprise plan cheaper than the starter plan? I'm
So
not following.
No, the pro plan can only manage 4 seats. The starter plan can only manage 2 seats. So if you look at the seat and manage, that's where the difference.
Is there like a
Right.
minimum of seats you need to have to be an enterprise for you to then get the benefit of that discount?
Right, because if I'm anybody, I'm just going to buy enterprise because it's the cheapest. Like, shouldn't it be tiered by price? Starter should be the lowest, pro should be the second, and then enterprise should be the most. Am I following or am I not?
Yes, actually, that was what we had initially. But after consulting our coach, we were advised that this should be the way. So, but we would still go back and still do more research on this. But based on that, we initially had this to be higher, but we had to come back after the consultation. We had to use this manage rather 12 seat, the number of seats to actually differentiate the different plans.
Yeah, maybe I could help here. So, what Jerome's trying to say is you're offering more stuff to your customers as they go up from starter to pro to enterprise, correct?
Yes.
So to get more features from you, it's costing you more. Therefore, you should be charging more, unless the customers have to have a minimum number of seats. So you can only get enterprise if you have this number of seats. So you're guaranteed X amount of revenue, which is the incentive. And therefore, if I don't have that number of seats, I will have to stick to a smaller plan. That would be the only way this logically could work. Are we in alignment here?
Yes. Our business analyst wants to handle this part.
Okay, sure. Who wants to jump in and help us understand the thought process and the business model?
Okay, why we have it like that? Because that's what, first of all, that's what differentiates us from our competitors, in the sense that the lower the seats, the more expensive to actually build. It's like you're building for just five property. You're spending the same money to build for 100 seats. So why we want
Is that the per seat price per month?
Yes, it's per seat price for the month. For instance, the status.
So you should have, okay. So so the starter pack manages up to 2 seats. I'm paying $90 per seat per month.
Yes, yes.
Okay. That needs to be a little bit clear in this description. And I get it. Up to 12 seats, $50 per month. You're at least getting 12 seats. Makes sense.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
That's it.
Guys,
I got it.